Ever wondered if upgrading your drive shaft actually makes a difference? It's not the flashiest modification you can make, but it can improve performance, reduce vibration, and even help your drivetrain handle more horsepower. So today we're breaking down what a drive shaft does, when you should upgrade it, and whether steel, aluminum, or carbon fiber is the right choice for your build. Let's take a closer look. If your drive shaft isn't strong enough, balanced properly, or matched to your ride's power level, it can create vibration, reduce efficiency, or even fail under load. That's why choosing the right drive shaft matters, especially if your car isn't stock anymore. There are two main reasons drivers upgrade their drive shafts. The first is damage or wear. If your drive shaft is failing, common symptoms include a noticeable vibration, unusual drivetrain noise, or a distinct clunking sound while driving. These are classic warning signs something isn't right. The second reason is performance upgrades. If you've added horsepower to your vehicle, your stock drive shaft may not be designed to handle the increased load. High-performance vehicles like factory supercars and track-focused builds often upgrade drive shaft materials specifically to support higher power levels. In short, more power means your drivetrain components need to keep up. Steel drive shafts are what most vehicles come with from factory. They're strong, affordable, and easy to repair if they become damaged. But steel also has a few downsides. It's heavier than other options, and over time, especially in areas with winter weather and road salt, steel drive shafts are more vulnerable to rust. For stock vehicles and most builds, steel is usually perfectly fine. But once performance becomes a priority, many drivers look for lighter alternatives. Aluminum drive shafts are one of the most popular upgrades, and for a good reason. They're significantly lighter than steel, which reduces the rotational mass and improves drivetrain efficiency. Another big advantage? Aluminum doesn't rust like steel does, making it especially appealing for vehicles driven in snowy or wet climates. That said, aluminum still needs regular inspection because corrosion can occur over time even if it isn't traditional rust. For many enthusiasts, aluminum offers the best balance between performance, durability, and cost. Carbon fiber drive shafts sit at the top of the performance ladder. They're lighter than both steel and aluminum and help reduce vibration throughout the drivetrain. Carbon fiber is also extremely strong, stronger than steel in many applications, and behaves differently if it fails. Instead of shearing like metal, it typically splinters in a way that is less likely to damage surrounding components. So why doesn't everyone use carbon fiber? The cost. Carbon fiber drive shafts are more expensive and, unlike steel or aluminum, can't be repaired. If they're damaged, they must be replaced entirely. That makes them ideal for high-performance builds, but not always necessary for daily drivers. Choosing the right drive shaft comes down to your build goals. If your ride is mostly stock, a steel factory drive shaft may be all you need. If you're building a performance build for street or light track use, aluminum is often the sweet spot between weight savings and reliability. If you're pushing serious horsepower or building a track-focused vehicle, carbon fiber delivers the highest level of performance. It's all about matching your drivetrain components to the power your vehicle is producing. Driveshaft upgrades might not be the first modification people think about, but they do play a huge role in how efficiently your vehicle puts power to the pavement. Whether you're chasing smoother performance, reducing drivetrain vibration, or supporting a high horsepower build, the right drive shaft can make the real difference. And sometimes the best upgrades are the ones you don't see, but definitely feel.